Hello everyone, my name is Devita Filia with NPM 2341195 from class Accounting 2038. Okay, in this video, I will explain about the material is the influence of psychology in decision making. Okay, let's see guys. Definition of decision making. Decision making is a systematic process in which individual or group evaluate various available alternatives to select the most appropriate course of action in line with the objective to be achieved. This process not only involves the analysis of data and information, but is also influenced by psychological factors such as perception, experience, and emotion. In the context of accounting and organization, sound decision making is crucial because it impacts work effectiveness, company performance, and the achievement of overall objectives. The role of psychology in decision making. Psychology plays a crucial role in decision making because it influences how individuals think, interpret information, and determine the choice they make. Factors such as perception, motivation, emotion, and experience can shape how a person understands a situation and evaluate various alternatives. As a result, the decisions made are not always entirely rational but are often influenced by mental state and emotion. In an organizational context, understanding psychological aspects help lead to wiser and more effective decisions. Psychological factor. Perception. Perception is the way individuals receive, select, and interpret information from their surroundings. In decision making, perception plays a crucial role because two people can observe the same situation yet arrive at different decisions. Perception is influenced by experience, values, and expectation, which can lead to bias if left unchecked. And motivation. Motivation is the internal or external drive that influence a person's action and decision making. Individuals with high motivation tend to make greater effort to seek information and choose the best alternative. Conversely, low motivation can lead to decisions being made haphazardly or suboptimally. Emotion are feelings that arise in response to a situation such as joy, anger, or fear. Emotion can significantly influence decision. For example, positive emotion can enhance creativity, while negative emotion can impair concentration and objectivity when evaluating options. And attitude. Attitude are an individual tendency to respond to an object or situation in a positive or negative way. A person's attitude influences how they evaluate alternatives and make decisions. Open and positive attitude typically lead to more rational and prudent decisions. Decision-making theory. Rational. Rational theory posits that individuals make decisions logically by considering all alternatives, gathering complete information, and choosing the option that yields the best outcome. In practice, this approach is ideal but often difficult to implement due to time and information constraints. Bounded rationality. This theory explains that human capacity for rational thinking has limitations, whether in terms of information, time, or cognitive ability. Consequently, individuals tend to choose decisions that are good enough, satisfying rather than the most optimal ones. And the last, intuition. Intuition is a decision-making process based on feeling, experience, or instinct without in-depth analysis. Although it appears subjective, intuition is often used in fast-paced situations or when information is limited, especially by experienced individuals. How to reduce bias using objective data. Relying on accurate, fact-based data helps reduce the influence of subjectivity in decision making. By using clear, measurable information, decisions become more rational and are not based solely on assumption or feeling. Team discussion involving others in the decision-making process can provide different perspectives and reduce individual bias. Team discussion also helps test ideas and identify weakness in a decision before it is made. And the last, evaluating alternatives. Thoroughly assessing various options before making a decision help avoid focusing on just one option. By comparing the pros and cons of each alternative, the decision made will be more objective and appropriate. Conclusion. Overall, the influence of psychology on decision making shows that decisions are not solely determined by data and logic, but are also influenced by internal factors such as perception, motivation, emotion, and attitude. Furthermore, the limitation of rationality and the presence of cognitive bias mean that individuals are not always able to make decisions in a fully objective manner. Therefore, it is important to understand psychological aspects and implement strategies such as the use of objective data, team discussion, and evaluation of alternatives so that the decisions made are more rational, appropriate, and effective in supporting organizational goals. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.